This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by selecting 2 pounds of fresh cabbage and measure 1.5 tablespoons of salt for a standard quart jar recipe. You can scale linearly. Remove core and shred cabbage into 1/8-inch ribbons so it packs uniformly and releases juice. Combine cabbage and salt in a large bowl and work it vigorously for 5 to 10 minutes until it softens and yields a bright brine, about 1/4 to 1/3 cup, ready for the fermentation vessel and subsequent packing. Pack the salted cabbage tightly into a clean quart jar, compressing so brine rises above solids, and leave 1 to 1.5 inches headspace to allow gases. Use a 3.5-inch weight, small jar, or sanitized stone to keep the cabbage submerged under brine, and seal with an airlock lid or loose cover to release gas. Store at a steady 65 to 72 degrees F and begin tasting at day 7. Typical fermentation runs 1 to 4 weeks depending on acidity preference. When the acidity and texture suit your taste, stop fermentation by transferring the sauerkraut to the refrigerator to slow microbial activity. This locks flavor. Pack the finished kraut into clean jars and leave 1 tablespoon of brine on top if needed to maintain an anaerobic environment for stability. Properly refrigerated sauerkraut keeps well for 3 to 6 months in sealed jars. Always use a clean utensil to remove servings and check for off smells or mold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.